Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin with two essentials, an unlocked phone and the Hutch Esim details. First, open Settings and navigate to Cellular or Mobile Data. Tap Add Cellular Plan and point the camera at the Hutch QR code or enter the activation code manually. Once scanned, give the plan a clear label like Hutch so you know which line you manage. Make sure Wi-Fi is on during activation to fetch profile files. This step registers the eSIM profile on your device. After the profile installs, you must configure how you use Hutch. Open Cellular Settings, choose the Hutch plan, and enable it for voice, SMS, or data depending on your needs. If you keep another SIM, assign which line handles mobile data and which handles calls. This prevents routing conflicts. For international travel, toggle data roaming only when required. Once done, label the line for messaging apps and set default for iMessage or equivalent, so messages and contacts use the proper number. Finish by restarting your phone to ensure the Hutch profile fully initializes. Then test a call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm data connectivity. If data fails, open Cellular APN settings and compare values to Hutch's recommended APN. Edit if mismatched. If the profile won't activate, remove the eSIM profile and reinstall from the original QR or code. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see no network, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds before rechecking. It forces a fresh network registration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.